Birdie up there on the pole. Glad I'm finally getting so many nature videos lately. Oh, I'm sorry I'm so unsteady with the camera today. Oh, goodness gracious. You coming out, girl? Good girl. Hey, Daisy. Oh, gosh. Oh, my fur baby's coming out. Daisy. And there's our big boy. My goodness. That was a big drink. Oh, another drinker. We got a bunch of drinkers. Hope that's only water, not vodka, laugh out loud. And back up to the bird. I don't know if there's anything else flying around or running around. Any other... Oh, I'm off the bird. Couple of birds flying by. That was a nice little treat. Looks like he or she is resting comfortably up there. What's the matter, boy? You want to go back in? Okay. Go on. And you too? Oh, all of you going back in? Okay. Oh, the birdie just flew. I missed it. I was letting the dogs in. That's okay. There's another birdie flying. Neighbor's dogs barking. We never got rain yesterday, but it looks like more rain today. It looks like, well, I should say more rain. We didn't get any yesterday. Oh, there's another bird up there. We need the rain for the grass and our showers and cooking and whatever, so we gotta get what we could. A lady commented on one of the videos I made yesterday that she loves nature videos. So do I. I don't care if it's animals or plants or trees or all of the above. It's nice when you get all in one, the trees, the flowers, the animals. Sorry I moved, I was trying to get the birds flying. I don't see him now, but there he is on the fence. There. Oh, she flew away. She's not on the fence anymore. Let's see. That's where most of the birds seemed like they were flying from. These trees here. And what's nice with this one, even though I don't know if it's considered nature or not, the rain clouds. I think I'm just too close to this tree to get the whole thing any too good. Always from this angle. Thought I saw another bird flying. I probably didn't get it in time. Well, let's see what's lurking over here. If anything. You know, the birds so tiny you can't always see them till they move. And the squirrels, they're just too doggone quick. I don't know if you guys were able to catch that bird. The trees are so dense. How about flying this way, birdie, so we could see you flying better? All the gray clouds. Sounds like some birds coming from over here. I think I hear a squirrel. Not sure what's working in those trees. Can't get them too good. Is that a nest maybe? I don't know. Try not to get the neighbor's house or the cars too much. Yeah, I hear a squirrel. Where are you, squirrel? Maybe in that tree, I don't know. Oh, another bird. They're liking this pole today. Oh, excuse me. That's good because I'm getting them. I like birds. My mother, when she was alive, loved birds. She liked cardinals and blue jays. Oh, excuse me. It's a little chilly out there. Excuse me. Damp, I should say. I don't know if I'm going to take a walk and aggravate my bronchitis or not. But standing out here in the little bit of dampness, again, these nature videos means more than any walk. And it's still early. It's only about 9 o'clock, 9:30, if that much. If I get a walk in, I do. If I don't, that's fine. I have my little exercises that I could do in the house. Hey there, honey pepper. Your owner was looking for you earlier. Guess you missed breakfast. Now where you going? Home is the other way, boy. He's still standing near the gate. There is a little hole under there that he could crawl under there. But if he walks in the trees there in the driveway, he could walk around the gate. There's another driveway on the other side of these trees. Thanks for using the bathroom on video time. Sorry everybody, I didn't realize what he was doing until after he moved. See, goes through, he'll get to the other driveway. Oh, I missed that bird flying into the tree. But there's the other one on the pole. I hope the audio is picking up all the bird sounds. I like listening to the birds sing. Bye, bird. Must land in the tree there somewhere. Trying to get the trees and the sky. Try to get as much as possible for those that are either shut in or in the hospital or just don't get out much for whatever the reason, or those that don't live in the country. No, I guess Pepper went back home. That was the dog. Try to get some of the trees. The other view of the sky was to my left. This is to the right. I don't see any more squirrels. Ooh, squirrel. There was a squirrel at that tree. Where'd you go, squirrel? Can't tell what that is in that tree there, that black thing. I don't know if it's a nest, part of the branch, or what. Squirrel, where'd you go? Sorry, I turned a second. Thought I heard a little pecking in that tree, like a woodpecker maybe. There's the squirrel's tail on the right. There's the squirrel. Sounds like the neighbor's got a radio on. Oh, great, a bird. That was nice, slow birds flying through. There's a squirrel now on the left, going up the tree. Oh, there's another one on the tree in the middle. Must be a family of squirrels. There's another two squirrels. The neighbor was just yelling at Pepper to go home. A couple of birds went flying in there. Oh, I'm missing the birds flying. Oh my goodness. Okay, squirrels, where'd you? There you are. Where are you, squirrel? I have people who like squirrels. I'm trying to keep the garbage can out of the video. I'm getting a lot of squirrels lately because for a while I wasn't getting any. Yesterday, the squirrels, they loved the seating area. A couple of them were on the chairs, or running through the chairs. I'm going to bring you over here. I think that's a nest. I'm at almost 17 minutes. I'm going to try and make a 20-minute video out of this if I could. I hear something in the weeds or whatever that is there, but I don't see anything. Maybe a frog or a couple of lizards. There's our fire pit. Cardinal. I don't see it now. I think it's in that massive tree right there. Must have been on the roof. I caught it at the last second. Maybe I could get the next time it gets lit, I could get it lit on fire. I don't know why I didn't get it on video the last time. Oh gosh, the birds. I'm glad I got so many birds today. My mom would be so proud watching this video with all the birds. I don't see any, but it seems like that's the direction they're chirping in. Sorry if I'm going too quick. I'm just trying to see if I could follow the sounds of some of the flapping. Oh, more squirrels. There. Where are you, squirrel? I saw you like 30 seconds ago. A little over 19 minutes, but if I find some more nature flying by or whatever, I'll do my best to get it. Where'd you go, squirrel? The squirrels, they seem to like this area here the most. I don't know what's with this area. I'm trying to go up and down slowly to see if I could catch any more squirrels. Yesterday too, they were enjoying this spot. There was a blue jay that flew over there. Caught it at the last second. Have a great day, everybody. I hope you enjoy this nature video. I enjoyed making it.